Middle Eastern cuisine is a vibrant fusion of flavors, spices, and traditions, deeply rooted in the region's history and culture. It features a diverse range of ingredients, including grains, legumes, meats, and fresh vegetables, often seasoned with aromatic herbs and spices like cumin, coriander, sumac, and za'atar. Staple dishes include hummus, baba ganoush, and falafel, all made from chickpeas and tahini. Tabbouleh, a refreshing salad of parsley, tomatoes, and bulgur, is another favorite. Flatbreads such as pita and lavash are commonly served alongside meals. Used for scooping dips or wrapping grilled meats like shawarma and kebabs. Rice dishes, such as Persian saffron rice and Egyptian kosherai, are also widely enjoyed. Meat, particularly lamb, chicken is often grilled or slow-cooked with rich spices. Vegetarian options are abundant, with lentils and chickpeas playing a major role in dishes like mujadra and fulmi dam. For dessert, Middle Eastern sweets like baklava, kanafe, and kataif offer a delightful combination of honey, nuts, and fragrant flavors. Traditional drinks, including mint tea and Turkish coffee, complement meals perfectly. Middle Eastern food is known for its balanced flavors, nutritious ingredients, and communal dining experience, making it popular worldwide.